Every successful business knows the importance of tracking expenses. It's not just about saving receipts or checking your bank account. Proper expense tracking helps you understand where your money is going, spot unnecessary spending, and make smarter financial decisions. When you have a clear picture of your expenses, you can budget more effectively and plan for growth. In this video, we'll break down the easiest ways to track business expenses so you can focus on what matters growing your business. Let's start by understanding why expense tracking is so crucial for business success. Before you start tracking, it's important to know what counts as a business expense. Common categories include office supplies, travel, meals, utilities, and marketing costs. By grouping your expenses, you'll make it easier to organize and analyze your spending later. This step also helps you stay compliant with tax regulations, as you'll need to report these categories accurately. Let's take a closer look at each expense type and how they impact your business's financial health. Many small businesses start by tracking expenses manually. This can be as simple as keeping a notebook or using a spreadsheet. Write down every purchase, the date, the amount, and what it was for. While this method is straightforward and low cost, it can become time-consuming as your business grows. Manual tracking is a good way to get started, but you'll want to consider more efficient options as your transactions increase. Today, there are many digital tools designed to make expense tracking easier. Apps and software can automatically import transactions, categorize expenses, and generate reports. These tools save time and reduce errors compared to manual tracking. Popular options include QuickBooks, Expensify, and FreshBooks. Choosing the right tool depends on your business size, budget, and specific needs. Let's explore how these digital solutions can streamline your expense management. With so many expense tracking apps available, it's important to pick one that fits your business. Consider factors like ease of use, integration with your bank, mobile access, and the ability to export data for your accountant. Some apps offer free versions with basic features, while others require a subscription for advanced tools. Take advantage of free trials to test which app works best for your workflow. Once you've chosen your tracking method, set up clear categories for your expenses. Most apps allow you to customize categories to match your business needs. For example, you might have categories for office rent, supplies, travel, and client entertainment. Consistent categorization makes it easier to analyze spending patterns and prepare for tax season. One of the biggest advantages of digital tools is automation. Many apps can connect directly to your bank account or credit card, automatically importing transactions. This reduces manual entry and ensures you don't miss any expenses. Automation not only saves time, but also helps you maintain accurate records, which is essential for financial planning and audits. Keeping track of receipts is a key part of expense management. Many apps let you snap a photo of your receipt and attach it to the corresponding expense. This digital storage makes it easy to find receipts when you need them for tax purposes or audits. No more worrying about lost paper receipts. Everything is organized and searchable in one place. To ensure your records are accurate, it's important to regularly reconcile your expenses with your bank statements. This means checking that every transaction in your tracking system matches your actual bank activity. Regular reconciliation helps you catch errors, spot fraudulent charges, and keep your financial data up to date. If you have employees, setting clear expense policies is essential. Define what counts as a reimbursable expense, set spending limits, and outline the process for submitting expenses. Clear policies help prevent misunderstandings and ensure everyone follows the same rules. This also makes it easier to track and approve expenses consistently. Make sure your team understands how to track and submit expenses. Provide training on your chosen tools and explain your expense policies. When everyone is on the same page, you'll avoid confusion and ensure accurate records. Regular training sessions can also introduce new features or updates to your expense tracking system. Mobile apps make it easy to track expenses on the go. Whether you're traveling for business or meeting clients, you can quickly record expenses from your phone. Mobile tracking ensures you don't forget to log purchases and helps you stay organized no matter where you are. This flexibility is especially useful for busy entrepreneurs and remote teams. Many expense tracking tools can integrate directly with your accounting software. This integration streamlines your workflow by automatically syncing expenses, reducing the need for manual data entry. It also ensures your financial reports are always up to date, making tax time much less stressful. If you use your vehicle for business, tracking mileage is important for accurate expense reporting and tax deductions. Many apps offer built-in mileage trackers that use GPS to log your trips automatically. This feature saves time and ensures you don't miss out on valuable deductions. Not all expenses are paid by card or bank transfer. For cash expenses, it's important to record them immediately and keep the receipts. Many apps allow you to enter cash transactions and attach photos of receipts. This ensures your records are complete and accurate, even for small cash purchases. Many businesses have recurring expenses, like subscriptions or rent. Most expense tracking tools let you set up recurring transactions so you don't have to enter them manually each month. This feature saves time and ensures you never miss a regular payment in your records. Sometimes, a single purchase covers multiple categories. For example, a business lunch might include both food and transportation. Many apps let you split expenses across categories, ensuring your records accurately reflect your spending. This level of detail helps you analyze costs and budget more effectively. If your business runs multiple projects, it's helpful to track expenses by project. Many tools allow you to tag expenses to specific projects or clients. This makes it easy to see how much you're spending on each project and helps with client billing or internal analysis. Adding tags and notes to your expenses can provide extra context. For example, you might tag an expense as urgent or add a note explaining a purchase. This information makes it easier to review expenses later and answer questions from your accountant or team. One of the biggest benefits of digital expense tracking is the ability to generate detailed reports. These reports show your spending by category, project, or time period. Regularly reviewing reports helps you spot trends, identify savings opportunities, and prepare for tax season with confidence. Accurate expense tracking provides the data you need to create realistic budgets. By analyzing past spending, you can set informed limits for each category and monitor your progress. Budgeting helps you control costs, plan for growth, and avoid financial surprises. When tax season arrives, having organized expense records makes the process much easier. You'll be able to quickly find deductible expenses and provide your accountant with all the necessary documentation. This not only saves time, but also helps you maximize your tax savings and avoid costly mistakes. In the event of an audit, detailed expense records are your best defense. Digital tools make it easy to retrieve receipts, reports, and supporting documents. Being audit-ready gives you peace of mind and demonstrates your commitment to financial transparency. Storing your expense data in the cloud offers several benefits. You can access your records from anywhere, share information with your accountant, and protect your data from loss due to hardware failure. Cloud storage also makes it easy to scale as your business grows. Protecting your financial data is critical. Choose expense tracking tools with strong security features, such as encryption and two-factor authentication. Make sure your team understands best practices for keeping data safe, like using strong passwords and avoiding public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions. It's easy to forget to log expenses, especially when you're busy. Set reminders in your app or calendar to review and record expenses regularly. This habit ensures your records stay up to date and reduces the risk of missing important transactions. If your business operates internationally, you may have expenses in different currencies. Many tracking tools can automatically convert foreign transactions to your home currency, making it easier to manage and report global spending. Keeping track of payments to vendors is essential for managing cash flow and maintaining good relationships. Record each payment, the date, and the purpose. Many tools let you set reminders for upcoming payments, helping you avoid late fees and maintain trust with your suppliers. Petty cash is often used for small, everyday purchases. Set up a system to track petty cash withdrawals and expenses. Require receipts for every transaction, and reconcile the petty cash fund regularly to prevent misuse or errors. For larger businesses, setting up an approval workflow for expenses can help control spending. Employees submit expenses for review, and managers approve or reject them. Digital tools can automate this process, ensuring every expense is checked before it's recorded. If your business uses credit cards, make sure to track these expenses separately. Many apps can import credit card transactions automatically, making it easy to reconcile statements and monitor spending. This helps you avoid overspending and manage credit responsibly. Sometimes, you'll need to process refunds for returned items or overpayments. Record refunds promptly and update your expense records to reflect the changes. This ensures your financial data remains accurate and up to date. Over time, you'll accumulate a lot of expense data. Archive old records securely, either in the cloud or on an external drive. This keeps your current records manageable and ensures you can access historical data if needed for audits or analysis. Regularly reviewing your expense data helps you spot trends and make informed decisions. Look for patterns in your spending, such as rising costs in certain categories, and adjust your budget or policies as needed. This proactive approach keeps your business financially healthy. Your accountant is a valuable partner in managing business expenses. Share your expense data regularly and ask for advice on improving your tracking system. Accountants can help you identify tax-saving opportunities and ensure your records meet legal requirements. Occasionally, you may encounter disputes over expenses, such as duplicate charges or unauthorized purchases. Keep detailed records and receipts to resolve these issues quickly. Most digital tools allow you to flag questionable transactions for review and investigation. Startups often have limited resources, making expense tracking even more important. Use simple tools to get started and upgrade as your business grows. Focus on building good habits early, like categorizing expenses and saving receipts, to set your business up for long-term success. As your business expands, your expense tracking needs will change. Choose tools that can scale with you, offering advanced features like multi-user access, project tracking, and integration with other business systems. Planning for growth ensures your expense management stays efficient and effective. Even with the best tools, mistakes can happen. Common errors include forgetting to record expenses, miscategorizing transactions, or losing receipts. Regularly review your records, double-check categories, and back up your data to avoid these pitfalls. Modern expense tracking tools often include analytics features. Use these insights to identify cost-saving opportunities, optimize spending, and make data-driven decisions. Analytics can reveal trends you might miss with manual tracking, helping you run a more efficient business. Let's clarify some key concepts in expense tracking. These include expense categorization, reconciliation, automation, and reporting. Understanding these terms will help you make the most of your tracking system and ensure your business finances are always in order. To visualize the expense tracking process, let's look at a simple schematic. Imagine a flow that starts with recording an expense, categorizing it, attaching a receipt, and then reconciling it with your bank statement. This flow ensures every transaction is accounted for and properly documented, making your financial management smooth and reliable. Understanding how to categorize expenses is key for accurate tracking. Let's look at a schematic that shows common business expense categories, such as office supplies, travel, meals, utilities, and marketing. Visualizing these categories helps you organize your expenses and ensures nothing is overlooked. Automation can transform your expense tracking process. This schematic will illustrate how connecting your bank account, using receipt scanning, and setting up recurring expenses can save time and reduce errors. Automation ensures your records are always accurate and up to date. Tracking business expenses doesn't have to be complicated. By using the right tools, setting up clear categories, and automating where possible, you can keep your finances organized and make smarter decisions. Remember to review your records regularly, stay consistent, and adapt your system as your business grows. With these strategies, you'll be well on your way to mastering business expense tracking.